Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make this okra soup for lunch or dinner. I promise you that you are going to love it. Your family will love it as well. So without wasting much of the time, let's get into the video. Now, all the ingredients I used in this okra soup recipe will be listed in the description box. The first thing, you add palm oil to the pot, allow it to bleach for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you put in your onions. Allow your onions to fry for 10 seconds. When your onions is fry, you add your ogbono and fry for 1 minute as well. After you add in your meat stock, you put in your meat as well, any meat of your choice. But in this okra soup, I was using goat meat and cow meat with a little cow skin. You can add stockfish as well if you like. Now allow it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open your pot and check. You stir. Now go in with your fish. You can use dry fish, but I was using fresh fish for the soup. Now go in with your blended peppers. If you don't love fresh pepper, you can use dry pepper. I love using fresh pepper in my okra soup. Add your fresh pepper and stir. After adding your pepper, you go in with your periwinkle. The removing periwinkle. I love it in my okra soup. Now you are going to cover your pot and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. When it is 3 minutes, you open your pot and check. Add your seasoning cubes. After adding your seasoning cubes, you go in with the okra. Your cut okra. Oh, I have already cut my okra. Remember, I told you that it's a very quick and simple recipe that you can make within 30 minutes. After you add your okra in the pot, remember you're not going to cook it for too long. Add your crayfish. Add your crayfish. After adding your crayfish, you go in with your onions. I used a little onions, but if you don't like onions in the okra soup, you can leave it. You add salt. And the last thing to add is your leaf. I use uziza leaf for this recipe, but if you don't like uziza leaf, you can use vegetable leaf of your choice. But I used uziza seed for this soup. So guys, our soup is ready. You can eat it with any swallow of your choice. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe and share and like the video. Bye.